how to set the phone app to open to keypad or open to last viewed on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. And from the phone app, tap on the more button. Then from the pop-up, you can now choose open to last view. So the phone will open to last view screen. So if I select contact and if I close the phone app, and when I reopen it, it will open to the last view. Whereas if you choose open to keypad, that means if I'm on a different screen page, and if I need to reopen my phone, it always going to open up to my keypad. Here, I will open, it will always open up to the keypad, ready for you to dial a number. And that's it. So that is where you can make the change from here. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.